So what's up guys, that's the Glacier Silber trim that's installed on the car. I really lucked out on this. I was able to figure out what to do with the hole where the convertible rooftop switch go. This did come out from a E93 Convertible Is, I guess, Is car. And I lucked out with this. Getting the part was one thing, with the ashtray lid was another thing. Getting the split armrest at the same time was really good. I'm gonna come around and get in the car and show you guys what I'm working with. So this is the console trim. I really like it. Initially I was kind of against getting rid of the wood, but a lot of people watch the channel are like, gotta get rid of the wood, dude, gotta get rid of the wood. And because I got the trim, I was like, what the hell, I'm gonna install it. And to plug the hole, because a lot of these might come from a convertible, my wife had a lot of these spice kits in the kitchen. It's like spice in a can. I think we got it from a street fair or one of those summer events, summer fair, like apple picking thing. And I was walking around the house trying to figure out how to plug the hole, and I was thinking there was this thing that I saw. The can fit in there. Apparently underneath the console there's a deep hole, a deep space there, so I could fit the whole can in there, and it wedges right in there, so I could put the lid on top of it, a little bit of it sticking out, and that's not going anywhere. It looks really, really good. This car is, I did unlock the keyless for driving the car, so I could also use this to store coins, as well as just put the key in there, and then I'm good to go, good to drive, you know. I really like it. You don't need the lid, but it's definitely one of these spice kits if you guys are interested in doing this DIY or following up, you know, trying to figure out ideas to plug in the hole if you get one of the trims from a convertible. But I definitely do like it. It makes the car a lot brighter. The Glacier Silber trim, I believe it is said to be better than the brushed aluminum trim that comes with the car. Come with E90, E91s, E92, E93s. The brushed aluminum comes in all cars in this country, in the USA. But the Glacier Silber trim only comes in a 335 IS in the US. I'm not sure in Germany or other parts of the world if it just comes in standard 3 series from the E90 generation. But it's really hard to get this trim. Getting the ashtray lid is even harder, but I'm lucky to get it. Definitely recommend looking into getting this trim. It's not cheap. These could sell, they retail from $400 and up, but you can get used ones on eBay from $200 and up. And I believe it looks better compared to the carbon fiber trim that everyone tends to do. It looks a lot polished, and when I did my unboxing, I was surprised to find it's actually metal. It's not plastic, it's actually metal, which is really cool. So I'm gonna come in and give you guys a closer look here. So kind of that's how it looks like up close. Like I said, it has a reptilian effect where it glistens sort of like snake skin. If it gets dark, it'll get dark with the environment. If it's bright and sunny out, it gets bright and metallic looking, and then, you know, with the sun. But if it's dark, it looks almost like charcoal gray, more metallic. But it definitely suits the interior. Definitely like it. I got the armrest. The armrest definitely doesn't match the Oyster when you're in sunlight. I'm outside now in the sun, so it definitely does not match the Oyster. But like, again, I don't really care. It's not really for appearance. It's more for practicality. And I believe the sliding armrest does really make a huge difference in comfort and driving the car for long periods of time. Or even if you want to track the car, you want more tightness in the cockpit area, it does provide that sort of tight space that you would get from a performance car. And that's it, guys. That's definitely recommend getting the Glacier Silber. I'm gonna try to source other parts for the dash area. There's a part that goes here, and then a long piece that goes along there. I probably won't get the Glacier Silber for the door panels, because they do come from coupe cars in the US, and the coupe doors, or convertible coupes, have different doors than sedan doors, you know, obviously. So I'm not sure if the trims from the door panels would fit in a sedan from those cars. Like I said, it looks official. Even my spice kit thing there, it looks like it fits right in the car. It doesn't even look like it's weird or cheap or anything like that. And the can is metal. These hold like ground pepper, different types of spices. This is like a pina colada hibiscus or something like that. I don't know what that is. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna get in the car and drive it around for a bit. It's rainy day. More stuff coming for the car. I'm gonna do the rear camera, parking camera retrofit with the dynamic lines before the summer's out. I'm definitely gonna upgrade the shift. I'm not going to motive mod shift. I'm gonna do, I think, one of the Chinese kits that you see online. I didn't want to cut the stock. I was thinking about it for 2 years now. I've had the kit, and I really did not want to cut the stock. Like I said, I bought the car. I like the way the car is. I didn't want to modify where it was. It is reversible in some levels, but I didn't find it to be something that I needed, that was necessary. But you know, here it is. That's the that's how it looked. I was able to transfer the lid from my wood trim to the Glacier Silber using my previous video review of doing the ashtray delete modification, and I do talk a lot in that video. I know I got a lot of comments on it, but in watching the video for myself to figure out how to do it, I was like, damn, I talk a lot. So anyway, I'm gonna end it there. Have a good weekend, guys. Bye.